Today, I achieved my 31st day or 1 month of daily walking. Walang paltos yan, araw-araw, umulan o umaraw, kahit busy ako masyado or kahit I don't feel like doing it. Right? Amazing. I'm actually proud of myself for achieving this goal. But what made this achievement or goal achievable? For it to be achievable, first, it need to be sustainable. Yes. A lot of us kasi, when we start jogging or walking or wanting to achieve something, we go beyond our limit. Yes, it's okay to go beyond your limit, to strengthen yourself, and ganun na mga stuff. But what's important if you want to build a new habit is sustainability. Kaya, even though some recommend me to start at jogging, ganun, I still do walking. Kasi nga, what I'm building is a habit, a lifestyle that will help me in the future. So, in that lifestyle, nagagawa lang ako ng achievable goals. Yung simple like for example, 6,000 steps. Mga ganun, every day. So, di naman necessary kailangan kong mabas ng bahay, especially kung umuulan. Like, you can do it at the comfort of your home, even though boring talaga siya pag nasa bahay. Pero, that's what make it achievable and sustainable. Kasi hindi naman always right na conducive yung labas ng ating bahay to exercise. Kaya if you want to do a consistent or build a daily habit, what you need to build first is the consistency. So, ayun, if you are starting to be consistent, and that's the time na you increase the intensity of your workout in order to achieve yung kung ano talaga yung gusto mo mangyari sa katawan mo. Pero first, kailangan talaga natin i-build, guys, is consistency. Wag mo muna i-mind yung mga sexy body, ganun, haba na stamina. What we're aiming is to build a lifestyle to maintain the body or the goal or the life you want to live. So yun lang for me in this video. So I hope na-inspire kayo and you start also walking or jogging or start na yung mga bagay na gusto yung gawin. But make it sustainable and achievable for your level. Sa yung body level mo ngayon. Kung ano man yung current status ng katawan mo. So yun lang for my video. Guys, thank you for watching. Let's go!